Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So guys, it's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open the Cash App, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on the home account. Now you can see here guys, here is the Bitcoin option. Okay guys, so from here you have to tap on that. Now, once you have done this, guys, if you have already buy the Bitcoin, then you have to verify your identity by tapping on verify identity. But you can see here, guys, I have to buy a Bitcoin. So now you have to select the server, tap on next. Now let me show you here, guys. If you have given your phone number already here, then it's asking you to verify your identity. Okay, guys. So you have to put your name, and after that you have to put your birthday, and after that guys you have to verify your identity with your license or ID card. Okay guys, now let me show you here, guys. Once you have put your phone number, after that it's asking you to put your first legal name or second name, and after that it's asking you to put your date of birth, and at the end you have to verify your identity with your ID card or license. Okay guys, and after that you can easily buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So that's pretty much for today video. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.